Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're continuing our series on pasta. We're doing the Tortellini Alfredo. Now, tortellini is a filled pasta in the shape of a ring or a navel shape. Very popular, very nice. Today we'll be using the beef filled variety. The Alfredo sauce, the chef made this sauce up back in the early 1900s from all reports. Used just butter and cheese, so that was the basis of the Alfredo sauce. Now I'm using the recipes that I used to have in my restaurant back in the 80s and 90s. The Alfredo recipe, we didn't follow the original one. We used a cream and we added bacon and mushrooms. It was a very popular dish, and that's what we're doing in this series. I'll be highlighting all the popular dishes we had at the restaurant. Now, the reason we called it Alfredo, I would suggest back then it was an Australianised version of it, and the recipe of just butter and cheese, to me that felt like something that you would just give your kids. Okay, the best thing about this dish, just like a lot of pasta dishes, it's so simple, so easy, so quick. You can make up the sauce in the time that it takes the pasta to boil. Something so simple and so quick, you'll be having a top quality, top tasting, restaurant quality dish tonight. Okay, so again, we'll go through everything, all the ingredients, and we will then get stuck into the cooking of the dish. Okay guys, here we go. We've got some bacon there, a couple of 100 grams of mushrooms, some flat leaf parsley, pecorino Romano, which is my favourite. You can use Grano padano, 300 ml of cream, thickened cream. I use the light one, look after the waistline a bit. Got half a kilo of tortellini there, and some salt and pepper. That's right guys, that is all we will need to produce a beautiful restaurant quality dish. Okay guys, first part of our prep is the mushies. We just chop these, just a nice medium chop the whole lot, put them aside, we'll be ready to go. Okay, next is the bacon. We just trim the fat. Keep some fat in there always. That's it. We do the parsley. Wash it well. Get rid of the stems. They're good for soup, the stems, they've got plenty of flavour. And if you are making a soup, just hold on to them and use them in your soup. Hey guys, this is basically the extent of our prep. We'll see you over at the stove and we will get this dish underway. Turn on the heat for the pan. Our pot is boiling. Put in some salt. Put in our pasta. Tortellini. Olive oil in the pan. The mushrooms. At this stage, leave it on a reasonably high heat. Once the mushies start to get a little bit of slight bit of colour, put in the bacon. Okay guys, it's been a few minutes. Add some salt and pepper. Pasta's going great. Okay, at this point we can add the cream. Lower the heat. Flat leaf parsley, some more pepper, crank it back up to a simmer. These tortellini are ready. Just transfer the tortellini. At this point, we put in our cheese, 80 grams. Look how beautiful and creamy that's looking. Literally 6 minutes, guys. We are ready. It's thickened up perfectly. And we are ready to serve up.